Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi. I'm from Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. That was a desert, East Desert. I remember that 3 to 4 hours to drive to Arizona area. Well, and I shot it with the sunset, real sunset light, real red. Well, this is the image I'm gonna use. I'm gonna work on this today and this one, and also I made that this image. This is Find the Edges filter I used on Adobe Photoshop. So I'm gonna use those two images. Then I'm going to change the layer mode first. Okay, blend mode in this Fresco code. Same thing, layer mode, okay? Well, this one first of all, this is okay, the picture I shot. The opacity is going to be maybe 30%. I can barely see it. Then the other image, this is the tone line. Well, it's gonna be just the opacity is 100% same, just leave it there, and but the blend mode is gonna be darkened so you can see through the underneath of the image too, and also that this line, this line image also. Okay, then I add the layer in between these layers, then paint it on. Well, let's take this opacity to be more or less around 20% or so. Now use this, okay, and use the watercolor, which is watercolor or ash flat. Then go all the way, largest brush, water flow 100%, and then color is gonna be the, okay, this maybe 60% of the blue, nice blue. Okay, now her dress. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's take this opacity to be just favorite C, 18%. I only see this. I'm checking a highlight and shadow area. Okay, I'm going to add her clothes. Blue again. maybe a linear light. It's gonna punch. Let's check. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer, then going this one. What makes a difference? And turn this one off. Create empty mask. And reveal, red, painting, wet brush 1, let's try it. Biggest one, smooth. About 2000. About 50%. Let's see it. Anyway. Darker. Little small. Black. Nothing happened. Review. How about no reveal? Then change the place. Well, overlay, because of the overlay, and going for normal, then opacity is going to be this down, then going back again, well, change to normal, opacity. Okay, going down again, 50% or 70%. Oops. Reveal. No, it's reveal already. So invert. Okay, now I see this. Then I'm gonna choose the brush. Let's see, this is for hair. This is for bees, desert. They have more watercolor texture and soften up. And around here, this is a mask. Okay, then which is soft pastel, soften up, a little small. Okay, hide. Okay. This is the fine edge layer, and I see the black lines out. See? So now I'm gonna create empty mask, convert, then reveal on this mask. Hide. Well, use invert mask, then reveal on this mask too. With same brush, soft pastel. Okay. This too strong, so I'm gonna go fade with this. Maybe I don't need much. But I like this color coordination. Okay, it takes a long time to get in here. Well, thank you for watching a long time, and this is it for today. Have a nice day, guys. I'll see you next time. Ciao.